5 steps to stronger, thicker nails at home. You can actually make your own nails stronger and thicker at home. But you need to have a lot of patience. If you are willing to spend some time and effort, this will surely help you in getting better results. You just need to follow these 5 steps. Step 1. First, you need to soak your nails in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water for about 15 minutes. This will soften the nails and make it easier for you to work with. Step 2. Now, take a file and make the edges of the nails even. Make sure that you do not cut into the nail bed. Step 3. Use a small amount of acrylic nail glue to apply a coat of nail polish over the entire nail. Make sure that you cover all the sides of the nail. Let the glue dry completely before putting on the next coat. Step 4. Now, you need to make a mixture of acetone and vinegar. Add a few drops of lemon juice to the mixture. Make sure that the mixture is thick enough to form a paste. Apply the mixture to the nails and leave it there for about 30 seconds. Make sure that you do this until you see that the nails have become really strong and thick. Step 5. Clean off the mixture from the nails. This can be done by using a cotton ball or a tissue. If you follow these 5 steps, you can definitely make your nails stronger and thicker at home.